folks. Well, just a quick video. I actually sold my Ford F-150 Roush truck this week and stepped down into a mid-size truck. And I looked at all the mid-size options, and really what I wanted to do is get the Ford Ranger Roush, but they're really hard to find used on the new model. But I found a really nice black Lariat locally. Black's hard to find, but that was definitely the color of choice here. So I picked it up, and I'll show you a little video of it here. But one of the first things to do is get some stance. It just needed to have a little bit more of an aggressive stance. Not aggressive, actually just mild. So, wheel spacers was the option to go with. So my son, the mechanic, Josh, made a short order of that today. So here's just a quick of the rig. And it's a 2021 model, hardly any miles on it. And you can see, I'll have pictures of really what the stance looked like before. The tires definitely were, inside that wheel well, and of course now you can see them out. They're 1.5 inch spacers, and it's really all I was looking for. I wasn't looking for a really stood out tire like you see on some rigs, but just enough to kind of give it that little beefy stance. So I'm real happy with it, and I'll have more video about the truck eventually, but for today this is just a video getting the wheel spacers on, and it's the way to go. Josh in action. First project for the Ranger. Get some wheel spacers and get some stance.
Take a before picture? Yeah, you said you already took
Yeah.
pictures of it all.
Digital torque wrench.